Action Research in Education. Before class even started, I thought I had it all figured out. I had bought and skimmed the book, and it made a lot of sense. I had chosen my topic, I had gone to the library to research my topic, I had gathered various articles and books. With my research skills and prior knowledge, I was ready to breeze through the class, and I hit the ground running. As is often the case in life, things didn't go as planned. My topic was unreasonable and impractical due to the scope and nature of the class. To make matters worse, what I thought I understood and posted on the discussion thread turned out to be largely incorrect. So I had no topic, no understanding. I felt clueless. A wise man once said, when all else fails, read the directions. So I'm going to go back to the textbook and see what information I can learn by reading it for the 100th time. The pieces started falling into place for me as I read the chapter and gained further insight into what action research entailed. I realized Aaron had a topic that I found really interesting and that would lend itself really well to this class. We decided to team up, and shortly after that, Doug decided to join us as well. Things were really moving in a positive direction, and then suddenly they weren't. When it came time for the problem statement, I found myself in a complete and utter slump. I understood what a problem statement was, but I just couldn't put words down on paper. And then my group members started leading the way. We were a great team, willing to work hard and do whatever it took to learn all that we could and turn in a great project. We were definitely on the right track, and we knew it. Meanwhile, it was time to start the discussion on the House of Scorpions research themes. Aaron and I had ideas, big ideas, small ideas, medium ideas. We were full of them. So all those great ideas that Aaron and I had for themes, well, the problem is that I had been looking at it from a literary theme standpoint rather than a research theme standpoint, which meant back to the drawing board, back to the books, back to understanding what exactly the difference was between the two types of themes. Oh my gosh, all this thinking is exhausting. Will it ever end? Okay, I read this book. I know it inside and out. I can do this. Before long, Aaron and I were back to work and at it again, compiling a quantitative theme analysis on the House of the Scorpion. Meanwhile, we were all working to clean up all the components of our research project: the bibliography, the problem statement, the literature review, the methodology approach. We each revised, resubmitted in an endless cycle. For me, as well as my group members, this meant more reading, more writing, more thinking, more typing, and more talking on the phone with each other to make sure we were all on the same page. At long last, we compiled a master document, handed it in, and received good feedback. We were able to step back and realized we learned a lot. Was this harder than I ever imagined it would be? Yes. Was this entirely different than what I expected it to be? Yes. Were there times I wanted to throw in the towel and give up? Yes. But in the end, was it all worth it? Yes.